Well, welcome to Miss Jess Adventures. Today I am getting ready to go camping, winter camping up in Big Sur, California, going on Highway 1, which is closed at the moment. But where I'm going is where the actual road closure is on the north, and then it's closed on the south side right now, which it usually is in the winter time. We're very used to that as locals. But I have to get ready. It's cold today. It's like 50. That's really cold to me in California. The horse tag is looking at me right now because I'm talking to a camera. Oh, when you get like the worst. See, there he is. Okay. He was just running around. That's why I actually thought, you know what? I was already planning to do this, but then I got so cold and it's so windy out. I thought, you know, this is not the best time, but I really wanted to. I'd done one of these videos, but I think I took it down. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I think I did. I don't know why. And then you'll see tomorrow will be the everything out of it. Well, everything will be packed up, I mean. Chaps is not going with me because I am going to a festival in Big Sur. I'm going to Forest Day Festival at Fernwood, or Fernwood Forest Day Takeover, or Fernwood Takeover, something like that. So I got this sleeping bag. It's not like the best bet, but I'm also be putting a wool blanket down. I might even be taking two wool blankets, blended wool blankets. And I got my other throw. I was almost debating about bringing a heater, like my little radiator heater, because we do have plugins there, but I don't think I am. And also you can take dogs. I'm not quite sure what these takeovers, but you can take dogs to Fernwood. But I just don't want. I need a break. I've had a break from my dogs and cats for quite a while. Cats, yes, but dog, no. I got my Bluetooth. I got my dream catcher. Just kind of going through everything. It's been a while since I've camped. I got my dream catcher right there. You know what? Might as well put it on now. Got my clip. You can't even see. These are my awesome lights. I should charge. If they are charged, I'm gonna take them in. Imagine they're used up. They a little charge all this stuff. All right. Let's go back here. Now I'm gonna start loading up stuff that I'm gonna take, because I'm not taking my normal camping bag or box. I'm making a new one actually, so it's gonna be a little different. My Camp Chef, one of my favorites, will be going. You see how much butane I have. Oh, that sucks. I don't know where my other burner is, and I know I have another propane with it, but I'm gonna have to buy one or two of those. They're cheap. I don't care about that. Oil, because it's been a little bit since I've changed it, and I need to go see my mechanic and get it done. Get her done. I like seeing my mechanic. Alright. Oh, I forgot I need to put the warmer blanket down. Damn it. Dang it, I don't need to put this stuff in yet. Well,